Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mac. In today's video, I want to introduce the Android screen for Mercedes Benz. This Android screen is 12.3 inch. This is the biggest one here. This is the menu for the Android unit. Navigation. Here. You can install Google Maps, Waze, iGo, and many other maps here. Music. The music, you can play the music from SD card, USB, or internal memory here. Here. Okay. Telephone is the Bluetooth functions. After you connect the Bluetooth, you can download the contents to the Android screen. And it also supports Bluetooth music here. Okay, next. NTG menu. NTG menu is showing the original car interface here. All original functions work as before. Okay, here. This is NTG 5.0. Everything is same as before. Here. Okay, touch the screen and back to the Android menu. Setting. Here, there are a lot of settings here. Section setting, camera selection. If you install the aftermarket camera, you need to choose this here. If your car have original camera, choose this one, OEM camera. Okay. Temperature here. Navigation. Volume. Language. There are a lot of language here. Time. System. This model is 4G RAM and 64 RAM here. The factory. The password is and here, this is the menu for the factory setting. See? And vehicle. Car display. Here. Okay. This model supports built-in CarPlay. This is the app for the CarPlay. This is the iPhone. Click it. It have connect to the iPhone, so you can play the music, for example. There's no sound, right? So we need to pay a check for the setting in the NTG menu. Here. Go to the NTG menu. And we chose the media. Take a look for the media here. Choose device. And make sure the setting is USB AUX here. Choose it. Because for the Android screen, the audio transfer to the USB. So now we back to the CarPlay menu here. See, it have the sound, right? See, that is a when you play the music here or video here, if you find there no sound, you need to go to the NTG menu and check the setting for the USB IUX.